So you've been pulled over by the police, and the officer wants you to do some tests. Do you know which ones you have to do? If an officer suspects you were driving under the influence, they can ask you to blow into a machine or perform coordination tests, which you must comply with. There are 3 coordination tests the officer can make you do. First, they will check your eyes using the HGN test. They're looking for involuntary jerking of your eyes. Second, they can make you walk the line. They're looking to see if you're off balance, miss your heel to toe, turn differently than directed, or start before they tell you to begin. Thirdly, they can make you do a one-leg stand test. They will be watching to see if you hop, sway, put your foot down, use your arms for balance, start before you are told, or stop counting during the test. Based on the results of these tests, an officer may determine that you should be taken to the police station for further testing, which may include blood tests and urine samples. Coordination tests are not validated on anyone over 65 years of age or more than 50 pounds overweight, or for people with physical issues like bad knees or eye problems. It is important that you tell an officer before doing the tests if you suffer from any of these problems, so it can be taken into account when assessing your performance. It is important that you know your rights. If the officer demands you provide a breath sample, blood test, or urine sample, you are required by law to provide them. Other tests, such as touching your nose or tilting your head back, are not proper screening tests and can only be used to determine if you are on drugs, and only in the controlled environment of a police station or similar facility. When in doubt, ask the officer if you have to do the tests or not. They should be friendly, polite, and clear on what is and is not required. Protect yourself by knowing your rights and ensuring the police do not end up arresting an innocent person. For more information and helpful safety hints, visit fightthecharges.com. Have a safe and happy holiday season from Aitken Robertson, Criminal Lawyers.